Tech and innovation is changing the construction industry, and this is what we'll witness today. From handy gadgets to ecosystem-changing materials, we'll see it all. Hey guys, welcome back to MobiTech, your one-stop destination to find the coolest gadgets online. Today, we've brought you 11 innovative construction gadgets and materials. Before moving on, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. Vacuum elevators. These futuristic-looking elevators aren't exactly new. They are, however, becoming more viable and make more sense than in the past. Pneumatic vacuum elevators, single, double, and three-person elevators are made of aluminum and include sealed polycarbonate tubing and powerful vacuums to transport people from floor to floor. Because vacuums are used, these elevator units do not require oils, lubricants, or huge motors like regular elevators. This makes them more suitable for use in homes and more efficient too. They can also be erected in a matter of days. Number 2. Rechargeable wall scanner. It'll assist you in rapidly determining what's inside your walls. This scanner is capable of detecting metals such as copper, steel, and aluminum, as well as wood, plastic, and insulated wires. Everything it discovers will be displayed on a 4-inch color display. Concrete, wood, drywall, and cinder blocks are among the operational modes. The detecting depth can reach up to 18 centimeters, and the precision can reach up to 4.7 millimeters. There's a built-in guide laser, and lights for convenience too. A single charge will last roughly 28 hours. Furthermore, the scanner is small and lightweight, weighing just 1.4 kilograms, making it easy to use with one hand. This Japanese gadget will set you back roughly $1,500. Number 3. Reciprocating saw. This specific saw comes from Nemo Power Tools. They design and manufacture the world's first and only cordless underwater tools. It all began with orders for scientific and governmental groups, and they later produced versions for regular customers as well. This reciprocating saw in particular is an excellent choice for depths of up to 50 meters. You will, however, have to take breaks in your task. Although you can only cut for 5 minutes at a time, the saw weighs 2.9 kilograms and has a stroke rate of up to 3,000 strokes per minute. Underwater blade changes are made simple using a keyless blade, a casing, a pump, 2 blades, 2 batteries, and a charger with a connector are included in the set. Number 4. Kespri construction drones. Drones are getting more popular for a variety of uses. Their utility in the construction business is nearly unlimited. Drones, for example, can assist in the creation of contour maps, site plans, site surveys, model renderings, and other essential real-time data throughout the planning phase. During the construction phase, workers use drones to visually inspect practically any section of the project and to track its development on the fly. Documentation is as simple as creating surveys from the drone once the job is completed. Kespri has created a drone platform exclusively for the construction industry. During a single flight, the drone can autonomously monitor hundreds of acres while simultaneously carrying out activities such as surveys, all without the need for human interaction. Simply use the app to map out the region of interest, and the drone will handle the rest. After collecting the essential data, the drone uploads it to the cloud platform so that it could be analyzed according to the project's requirement. Number 5. Halo lights. Hands-free headlamps are not a new concept in the construction business. Construction professionals and on-the-ground employees have been using regular headlamps for years. The cutting-edge technology of Halo Light alters the way this critical accessory is used. The Halo Light is developed by Illumiger as a personal safety device to make employees more visible at night. It's designed to wrap securely around any hard hat's brim. It's got a rechargeable battery that can power the Halo Light for up to 34 hours and gives 300-degree vision for up to a quarter mile. Number 6. Bio-coal lining. A Berlin-based startup named Made of Air has created a non-toxic bioplastic comprised of biochar from forest and agricultural waste. It absorbs carbon and can be utilized for a variety of applications, including building facades, furniture, interiors, transportation, and urban infrastructure. The regenerated material is 90% carbon and can absorb CO2 from the environment, making it a carbon-negative substance. The porous, carbon-rich material effectively holds carbon. Biochar, unlike decomposing biomass, which quickly releases carbon back into the atmosphere, can be stable for hundreds or even thousands of years. Biochar plastic from Made of Air is less expensive than traditional bioplastics, but still more expensive than petroleum-based product. Hexagonal panels known as Hexchar were first utilized as cladding material for an Audi dealership facility in Munich in 2021. It was the product's debut in a building. According to a lifespan estimate, the dealership's cladding will store 14 tons of carbon. Number 7. Blowtorch. A blowtorch isn't simply for welding and metal manufacturing. The machinery has a wide range of use, including road and rail construction, building, and plumbing. It's used by contractors to weld steel, flame-cut metals, and cast iron. The instrument produces an incredibly hot flame that can be used to mold or cut metal. To generate heat, it employs highly flammable gases such as propane and oxygen in proper amounts. In some cases, a grinder could be used, however, flame-cutting shapes and curves using a torch be considerably easier. Furthermore, it cuts thick metal significantly faster than jigsaws and grinders. There's also the issue of fuel costs, with gas typically being less expensive than electricity. Number 8. Hemp rebar. Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute in the United States has developed a hemp alternative to steel reinforcement, which they claim avoids corrosion and reduces carbon emissions during construction. Hemp reinforcement can be used to support concrete structures in the same manner as steel and other reinforcement is used today, but with less environmental impact due to the material's nature and longevity. The rusting of steel reinforcement is currently the leading cause of the premature demolition of constructions such as bridges, highways, dams, and buildings. Hemp reinforcing will provide 3 times the durability and corrosion resistance. Number 9. Remote-controlled brush cutter. This Italian invention is a machine that can be used for lawn mowing, tree trimming, and other similar tasks. Gardeners, firefighters, construction workers, and even the military can utilize it. The machine comes in a variety of sizes, from a modest 25 horsepower variant to a large 75 horsepower. It comes with a plethora of attachments that can be used with a brush cutter, a lawnmower, a snowblower, a brush, and other tool. The equipment is constructed such that the operator has no difficulty even on 55-degree slopes. The machine is remote controlled, and if anything goes wrong, the system sends an alert to the controller. The machine's highlight is the multitude of accessories that can be utilized with it. Number 10. Light generating cement. This is another intriguing yet significant invention. This is a specific cement that absorbs sunlight during the day and emits it at night. This process causes the crystallization qualities of the material to break up, allowing light to pass through and rendering the substance opaque. This very energy-efficient material defines the architecture industry and is predicted to be employed in a variety of applications, including bathrooms, swimming pools, facades, highways, parking lots, and kitchens. Because of its light-emitting capabilities, it could also be utilized in traffic signs. This substance is made up of silica, river sand, industrial waste, alkali, and water. Number 11. Aluminum foam. These panels are created by injecting air into molten aluminum, and then, when the air bubbles solidify, generating foam panels with intriguing patterns and layers for opacity, texture, transparency, and brightness. The foam panels can be manufactured with various densities, forms, and visibility depending on the production method. These sound-absorbing panels form patterns in the interiors and play a significant role in shades and shadows. The use of aluminum foam on the facade highlights the dictatorial and limitless nature of the construction industry while also imparting identity to it. Its production divides the material into 3 types: tiny, medium, and giant aluminum cells. This substance classifies the future of metal facades with breathing pores by giving them a foam. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching these amazing gadgets. Let us know which one you're planning to buy, and I'll see you soon in the next video with some more amazing products. Till then, keep exploring.